Question number 11. Two objects, each of mass 1.5 kg, are moving in the same straight line but in opposite direction. So two objects are there. This is object 1 and this is a second object. Both are having 1.5 kg mass. Their mass are equal and they are traveling in opposite direction to each other. The velocity of each object is, their velocity is also equal, that is 2.5 meter per second. Here also it is 2.5 meter per second. Before the collision, during which they stick together. So after collision, when they will collide with each other, they will stick together. This object 1 and object 2, they both will stick together. What will be the velocity of combined object after collision? So after collision, this is the first situation. Then they are colliding. After colliding, they are stick together. So mass, we can get it from here, that 1.5 plus 1.5 will be the mass of these two objects because they got stick together. So 3 kg mass will be there. But over here, what will be the velocity? What will be the velocity of this new object, or what will be the velocity of this two objects once they stick together? So here, as per the third law of the motion or as per the law of conservation of mass, we can write a term like momentum before collision equals to after collision momentum. So before collision one term we will get and after collision one term will be get. So those two terms will be equal as per the law of conservation of mass, and from that we are going to find out the final velocity of this object. Now let us note down all the details. So m1, that is object 1 and that mass is 1.5 kg. Then the velocity of this first object, that velocity is going to be initial velocity of this object, so that is 2.5 meter per second. So this is initial velocity, that is before collision. Now m2, mass of second object is 1.5 kg. Now initial velocity of second object is 2.5 meter per second. Now they have said that they are traveling in opposite direction. So this is going to be negative because this is coming from the front and this direction of this object is opposite to this direction. So this initial velocity of the second object will be negative. Now as per the third law of motion and as per the law of conservation of mass, so here we are going to write as per the third law of motion, before collision equals to after collision. Now what is the formula here? We know that it is m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Now after collision we will get m1 v1 plus m2 v2. But here after collision what is happening is both the object will stick together. So we are taking them combined and their velocity will be going to 1. So here after collision it is going to be m1 plus m2 because they both are stick together, so m1 plus m2, and their final velocity will be same. Now let us put all the values here, that 1.5 into 2.5, that is their initial velocity, plus 1.5 into minus 2.5 equals to, we will get here 1.5 plus 1.5. They are both objects mass and v. Now whatever answer we will get from this term and this term, both will be opposite. So this whole term is going to be 0 because here minus sign is there. So both answer will be same and opposite in sign. So this whole term is going to be 0. So 0 equals to 1.5 plus 1.5 is going to be 3 into v. So now when we are writing here v and 3 we are taking towards this side, opposite. So it is going to be there in denominator. Now v equals to 0 divided by 3. So here v equals to, we will get 0. V equals to, we will get 0. 0 meter per second. Why 0 meter per second? Because both objects are having same mass, both objects are having same velocity, but that too in opposite direction. So when two similar objects with same velocity, they will collide with each other, their net velocity will be 0. The net velocity will be 0. So after collision, they do not possess any kind of velocity.